Matilda Hobbins. I am an apprentice fabricator and welder at Austal ships. Being one of the only women in the workshop has been pretty cool, not gonna lie. I have been working at Austal for 2 years now. They are one of the biggest shipbuilding companies in Australia. It's pretty exciting working on the naval ships, the Defence Force boats. It's important work and I'm proud to be a part of it. My typical day radically changes depending on what area I'm working in. At the moment we've got a program, it's basically a giant isometric drawing, big 3D version of a boat, and you can walk through, take measurements, figure out exactly where everything is supposed to go. So having those STEM skills really helps you understand and use these new technologies as they come out. In high school I failed engineering and physics. When I decided to go back and give engineering another shot, it was something I was a bit worried about. I overcame it just by focusing and learning. I definitely think STEM skills make you more employable. By the time I finish my apprenticeship, I'll be able to go anywhere. I can work in mining, I can work in shipbuilding, I can work in structural. The possibilities are endless. Might be some women out there who have never even considered this kind of work just because they think they can't do it or they think it's a man's industry, and I would say, just give it a go. If it weren't for STEM skills, I wouldn't have the opportunity to be building ships for the Australian Defence Force. And that's why I would encourage all students going into year 11 and 12 to take 2 STEM subjects.
Visit take2stem.com to find the STEM career for you. Authorised by the Government of Western Australia, Perth.